We shift gears now. Black History Month, a time to reflect on the contributions African Americans have made, but it's also a time to talk about the challenges and the disparities they still face and work to overcome.
Community Legal Aid is shining a spotlight on that mission by allowing its staff members to share their stories. News 5's Jay Jarvis explains how it's not only empowering them, but the community as well.
We are here and we are standing before the forces of power.
During Black History Month, it's easy to focus on the stories already told.
It's more challenging to focus inward because you may hear some things that aren't comfortable.
I think about what am I doing as an attorney.
This year, Community Legal Aid is having its Black staff, board members, and volunteers tell their stories. That's part of their Amplifying Black Voices initiative. Executive Director Stephen McGarity says the decision came after their years and years of racial justice work.
We really recognized that we needed to take a look at ourselves and make sure that we were living up to the ideals that we were asking other organizations and businesses and governments in the community to do.
Over the last few weeks, videos have been posted to the Community Legal Aid YouTube page. Each person's perspective is different from the next. Legal graduate Kim Adams says the initiative makes her and her fellow Black colleagues feel like their contributions, suggestions, and viewpoints are valued, even though the conversations are tough to have.
When you're willing to hear some things that may be challenging for your organization to hear from the perspective of those employees, that's what makes it important. And that's also what makes it real.
And that in turn allows them to help the people they serve better.
We remember that we are only part of a multi-layer community. And what we're trying to do is we are trying to empower our community through what we do every day.
The organization is also shedding light on issues that plague Black communities like generational poverty, health disparities, and racism with a weekly blog series. McGarity hopes that all of these efforts combined lead to more understanding beyond just this month.
Lots of things make us uncomfortable, but we need to confront those so we can make sure those things never happen again. And to the extent they continue to happen, we need to stop them.
Jay Jarvis, News 5.